Patches Southern Cooking. Today I had a few extra green onions, so I thought, well, I'm gonna fix a cheese ball. We like to, I know a lot of people use them around the holidays and stuff, but we like to fix them every now and then just to have a little something there to snack on besides just chips or something. But today I'm going to use one package of 8-ounce cream cheese. Just leave it out for a little while, let it soften. This is real good like after supper, and if you've had an early supper or something there and you want something other that's a little filling but just not real bad junky, you know, it's just something they're good and fill you up a little hearty. Okay, and I've got I had 7 onions, green onions, and I'm just slicing them and dicing them up really small. Sometimes I will fix a double batch. I'll use 2 things of cream cheese if I'm taking it somewhere or something. But today I'm just using 1. It's really good with Ritz crackers or the little salad crackers, club crackers. But just slice up your onion pretty small. You can see that's 7 onions, green onions. Now, you can add different things in it, whatever you like. If you don't like a whole big lot of onions, you can always omit some. And I'm using beef. It's just a little small pack of beef that I'm using that you can get in the lunch meat section. They also have it in a jar of dried beef. I think these are like 69, 79 cents for a little pack of the dried beef, or sliced beef rather. And just dice it sort of small. And I usually just use 1 pack. You can also use ham if you like ham. I fixed it that way before too. I prefer the beef. I like the flavor that it gives better. You could use this for like if you was having a, I'm not into a lot of ball or anything, but if you was having a tailgate party or the Super Bowl or whatever, you could fix this to serve. I know a lot of people serves a lot of little just knickknacks. Birthday parties, baby showers, just it's just good for a lot of different things. Okay, now I also use shredded cheese, in mine too. And I'm going to add about 3/4 of a cup. And I also use the real bacon bits. I always try to keep the real bacon bits on hand because I use them for different things. It's good, especially like when you work and stuff. It's hard to come in and just fry some bacon or whatever. So I usually keep them on hand for little stuff like this. Okay, I'm going to use probably right at about 2 tablespoons of the real bacon bits. Now I have a hard time with the name of this, Worcestershire sauce or however you say it, but I do like a lot of it in mine. I know a lot of recipes that I have seen calls for like a teaspoon of it, but now I like the flavor of it. I mean, you can put in as much as you want, and but now I do like a lot of the flavor. So I'm going to start out probably right at about 2 tablespoons. And then I'll have to test it and see if that's just enough or not for me. But make sure when you get a bottle, always shake it up real good before you use it, because it does have a lot of settle in the bottom. Okay, I'm starting out with 2 tablespoons. And I'm just going to use my hands. Just mix that all together. Now it will bring that cream cheese up. It won't be real white once you get all that mixed up because of the Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire, or however you say it. It's just a very hard word for me. But just mix that up really good. You can also add a little bit of, it's called accent seasoning to it if you want to. But where I like extra sauce in it, I don't put none of that in it. But it's just however you want to make it. Just roll it up in a ball after you get it all mixed together. Now you can put nuts on this if you want to. I'm not going to today. Nuts sometimes don't sell real well with my husband, so I'm not going to put any nuts on it. I'm just going to leave it plain. But that's all they are to it. And but you can serve this with Ritz crackers or club crackers, just any kind of little cracker that you like. And but it's really good. Just put it in the refrigerator and let it set for about 30 minutes before you start eating on it. That way it gets it back up to firmness on it. But we thank you. Hope you like that, and please comment. I would just love to hear from everybody when you try my recipes. But we thank you. Remember to like and to share, and also to subscribe, and help get it out there for the people to see. But God bless everybody, and I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Thank you.